Assalamu alaikum hi friends. Today we have dialysis machines, which is the B brand model is a Dialog. So we are with Mr. Feroz Khan. He is the senior engineer of dialysis machines. So inshallah we will see the basic setup. Okay. So Mr. Feroz will. So our senior Feroz Khan, he will be give the basic introduction of the machines. So
Hi friends, this is a dialysis machine. Especially dialysis machine is for chronic dialysis patients. Whenever the patient kidney fail, that time we use this machine to clear excess of fluid and toxin from the blood. This is dialysis machine. The brand is brand manufactured from Germany and the model is Dialysis. We have three types of machines are there. One Dialysis, advanced and evaluation. I will explain basics of the machine. Okay, this is screen and this is syringe pump. This syringe pump. This is venous line connect here, venous port, pressure sensor. And there is arterial pressure sensor. And this PB, it measures the dialyzer pressure of the blood. And this is blood pump for running the blood line to suck blood from the patient and send the blood to the patient. And this is safety air detector. It will detect in the air in the blood line. Whenever we found any air in the blood, automatically machine will stop the blood to the patient. And this is clamp. This is called venous clamp. And this is
which clamp? This one?
the venous clamp, bloodline clamp. Whenever blood is found any air in the blood, it automatically
in the tubing.
Tubing, it will stop the blood to pass air, to don't pass the air in the blood to patient.
Right.
And these two tubes here, this is concentration rod, called concentration. Red one is concentration. Concentration.
Tubes.
Tubes, yeah. And this blue one is bicarbonate suction tubes.
Okay. So we can be recognized by the color coding.
Color coding. Red means concentration, blue means bicarbonate. And here, this is bicarbonate holder. We connect here bicarbonate.
Bicarbonate.
Yeah, this is a bicarbonate.
This is example of the bicarbonate
We connect here.
container.
Here.
Oh, what is this called?
Sodium bicarbonate.
Sodium bicarbonate.
Dibran.
Or always we will use the branded and
Dibran, you can look at local manufacturing, no problem.
also we can be.
But they have some parameters. It should be they match the parameters.
Okay.
Okay. And this is concentration.
This
This
is called
gastric
concentration.
Yeah.
Hemodialysis
Yes,
assay.
yes, yeah. This is dialyzer holder. This one. Okay. And here we have two tubes here. These couplings to connect dialyzer fluid. The blue one connect top end, and red one is dialyzer end point. This one.
What do you call this one?
Dialyzer couplings.
Couplings.
Yeah, couplings.
So
Back end. This is
the back side of the machine.
backside of the machine. This filter called pyrogen filter.
What do you call this one?
Pyrogen filter.
Pyrogen.
Pyrogen filter. It prevents endotoxin formed in the water to avoid bacteria, endotoxin to the patient. This filter.
Okay. This filter is called pyrogen.
Pyrogen filter.
Pyrogen filter.
Yeah. This also a brand model.
Okay. So, what is the to replace the paraben
This filter every 3 months we can replace. Every 3 months.
Every 3 months.
Otherwise, maximum 120 sessions of the patient to replace every 3 months.
Every 3 months you have to replace. Otherwise, your patients
120 sessions. How many patients?
is increase more than the.
Yeah, more than 120 we can't give because it will detect endotoxin and bacteriology. To avoid endotoxin and bacteriology, the fluid, that's why we are using this pyrogen filter.
Okay.
And this is dry.
Sorry.
This drain tube.
This is a drain tube.
Drain tube. Which patients toxic and extra fluid it will get from.
There is two tubing.
Yeah, three tubes. These are two tubes. This is power supply, and this one is RO's water, and this one drain. The patient drain.
So red one is from RO, and black one is drain tube, and this is power
supply.
And the next side, right side of the machine
this is BP to measure the patient.
Also, we can be measure
BPF and the BP folder, and this one is card reader to patient data.
So this BP pressures we can be operate from the
machine,
front side of the panel.
Yeah. In the machine, in the display.
In the display.
In display, you can see what the BP of the patient, and this is the patient data. How many sessions they have did for him, and what is the parameters before which we
actually print the.
These are all those tubing holders. Just think, I will show you how to switch on and how to prepare the dialysis, how to do disinfection, how to solve the problem.
Okay. So we are going to connect this. Which cable this? Oh, sorry, I forget. This is for the water inlet. For
this is RO water.
RO water.
RO loops. From the RO is going to the nursing station. We have every bedside. We have one port.
See, this RO plant's unit is coming from this side, which is directly connected from the RO plant. So this is the inlet we are going to connect.
We are connecting here.
Tab 29. Okay.
And the drain should be goes to drain.
And this drain tubes. Where you will keep this drain?
This is a water inlet tube. See, we have here one tube connector. Because if you, in this end we have maximum 4 to 6 bar water pressure is there. So we can't use normal outlets. It is very tight, and it will be
the connector type is
tube connector. It will be fixed, and if you have to, when connecting this, here should be pushed back and connected like this. Does it not come again? Whenever we want to remove, just again
push it
back and remove it. This connection.
Okay. See, there is a barometer, or what you call this one?
Pressure meter.
Pressure meter. Sorry.
Pressure.
Pressure meters. So explain
for the machine. It
for the requirement.
Up to requirement of the machine, the water pressure is up to 0.9 bar only.
Up to 0.9
bar. But this is a loop pressure. The entire loop pressure is sometimes 2 bar or 3 bar, depends on the patient consumption of water. How many machines we are connected to the patients, it will consume. So we connect only one machine here. Each machine will take only up to 0.9 bar only.
0.9 bar.
9 bar to hold the pressure.
Correct. So
now switch on the machine.
So we are going to operate these machines right now. So how to turn on the machine?
There is a corner, we have left side, we have machines. Just we have to switch on. Automatically
machine now. Will come here. See, our machine is turned on.
Ubron manufacturer company Ubron.
इसको थोड़ा बैक ले लो थोड़ा सा तो पूरे में आ जाएगा. हाँ बस इसे.
It will take time. Boot up. Maximum 1 minute to take.
How many minutes it will take to?
Maximum 1 minute.
1 minute. It will take minimum. हमारे पास ठीक.
Okay.
So now our machine is ready, I think.
Ready here the display.
This is the interface of the display.
In the screen we can see some lot of icons here. The one is date and the year and the time. Yeah. And the program selection which therapy we want to do, as the two icons, main icons in the hemodialysis and the disinfection. There should be the work timer, how many hours we use the machine, And this is shift.
This is the life hours or the per day?
No,
according
that
to per day. Yeah.
machines runs hour.
The total
Meter,
hours.
yeah, meter,
total
yeah.
hours.
Total hours.
Meter reading.
What time? Yeah.
It's called the
There's a lot of vacancies here. The version is Dialog 8.2b version. For this icon is this main icon. This one. This is for cleaning section. Whenever you click the icon, you can really hold the screen for cleaning purpose.
So you will be not entering the other programs.
You know, it icon is here.
Yeah.
So when you click the icon, it will stop. You can clean the screen
Only for 6, 7, 8 seconds. 10 seconds. Okay.
This one parameters section. Parameters. You click parameters. This is all the parameters, all the walls in the machine. It appears here in the screen. This is the water tank level, and degassing chamber, and the heater, air separator, and temperature sensors, and conductivity sensor. Which parameters we have, and the balance chamber, and the flow, fluid, pump, how much RPMs going on, and the bypass valves, and disinfection valves, and blood leak parameters. This is ultrafiltration, the bicarb cottage holder sensors, and the valves online for HDF therapy. The pump, issuing Allen pumps, the substitution flow, and the let's say parameter like.
This is the user setting or the.
This is the user setting as user settings place for a service.
For the maintenance also.
Maintenance we can observe which one is, for example, any problem happened to the machine, we can see exactly which is going on. For example, the wall open or no, we can easily.
You can see the.
Presentation is closed, but when the machine switch on, machine is running in the therapy, some is blockage, some is leakage from there. You can easily understand which one is causing problem in the screen. Here are blood pumps, like this blood pump, and these clamps, this venous clamp. Sorry, this one clamps. And the
so if the clamp is open, so it will be show the open.
Yeah,
right
sure.
now it's closed. Right?
Closed.
May I see? This is the clamp, and then see the program is showing where the clamp. Which one?
ये वाला है देखो
कौन सा?
ये आगे ड्यूरिंग इसमें होता है वो
clamp.
वी कांट अभी कर सकते हैं सर्विस में कर सकते हैं सर्विस में क्लोज ऑन कर सकते हैं
अच्छा
प्रेजेंट दिखा रहा पैरामीटर का presents all the sensor which condition present after switching the machine. It will show here the city is air, means there is no tubes here, that's showing air. And the heparin pump here, this one.
It's called syringe pump or what?
No,
what
heparin pump, heparin.
Heparin. See the heparin pump.
Heparin pump.
So this is the heparin pump.
Yeah. It will show the status several. It will show the status self test. During priming the machine, every machine have some test to pass. There are a lot of tests are there in between to go to the patient. Before connect the patient, machine will test several tests. We can know the easy understanding purpose. There are some numbers are coming here during test. We can know what's the problem going on, which test is going on. And one more window is there. These are all related online during therapy, clinical purpose we use this one, not for service purpose. These are things. And now we'll go for
what is disinfection and hemodialysis?
Disinfection.
What is this two options?
This one for dialysis preparation. This one for after dialysis for cleaning purpose, disinfection.
Cleaning the machine.
Machine inside the tube is like.
The machine itself will be
It will automatically. We have some liquid chemical is there. We call citric acid. It will suck the machine automatically and clean all the tubes inside the tubes.
So
this requirement is compulsory for every session. Before connecting patient, after using the patient.
After each patient.
Each patient. 2 times. Before starting, after the patient.
Okay.
See, we'll do it for this hemodialysis. No separate window appear now. This parameter shows venous pressure of the blood. This is the sensor. It is measuring here. This is the sensor. PV, venous pressure. On the arterial means this is the sensor. It will detect pressure. How much blood pressure in the tube line. It shows here. And this heparin automatically we know that heparin how much heparin how much we have volume to send to the patient to blood line. These are the all clinical icons. I will show you here.
So who will be set this heparin rate and blood flow?
Everything as per doctor prescription, staff nurse will be.
As per the doctor requirement, they will be set this one.
On the equation
But
number 1 here.
but if there is an instruction from the doctor, the nursing staff can be also
Yeah, you can do
prepare.
that. They can do that.
Or it is compulsory to doctor should be present during the therapy?
Yeah,
No need.
No need.
Okay. So it means the nursing staff also having knowledge to which
How to
which
operate the
rates you
machine,
have
how
to be
enter that
delivered.
everything. Doctor will use a prescription. They according to doctor prescription, they will follow.
twice.
No machines doing their self test one by one. No preparation going on.
It's called pre-use check, or
No,
it's like pre-use like a ventilator we having.
Yeah, same before connecting patient. All
Yeah,
machines
the
should be
machine
all
itself will be
test.
check the all his functions
All
and
functions. After that, the machine go to ready for the patient.
yeah,
If during the preparation, if any test fail also, we
Right.
can't use the machine to the patient.
right.
So here some icons here. This one shows remaining icons. So sodium level, how much, as this is clinical data, as per the patient, doctor, what is the required for the patient, will enter. The conductivity of the value, how much solution conductivity. And enter here by some
Conductivity.
conductivity up to 16 times. Bicarbonate conductivity enter here. Oh, no file up. You going here? Sound test. पहले का.
Sound test.
Test
No
पर
problem. Just you as you wish.
पूरा वन में टेस्ट होते हैं.
सारा टेस्ट टोटल.
टेस्ट होता है. अब टेस्ट चल रहा है, प्रिपरेशन चल रहा है मशीन का.
हाँ अभी सेल्फ टेस्ट चल रहा है.
हाँ चल रहा.
So how?
वो सब टेस्ट.
Okay. The machine is showing the self test here, the pressure test, DFS, and blood test.
Temperature.
Every test.
Everything. Acidity test, blood pump test.
Yeah. So machine will prepare itself.
No, I'm showing how to frame the machine. This is the main thing before starting the machine. You have to enter the dialysis mode, and this only trial purpose only, not for the patient. Instead of bloodline, I am using this small tube for detect air. So presently he is showing here. Acid is showing air. After I connect the tube in this acid chamber, it will show sir no air. You know, here no air. Before air. No air.
Remove it 1 second. I will show.
I will show you. See, now I am removing bloodline. Example. Okay.
This is blood line, but
Yeah, bloodline. But I am
but for the testing.
Testing, I am using this one.
Yeah.
No, it's showing air here.
Now see the air detector is detected air.
Yeah.
There is air,
After I'm connecting
right? So we are connecting the
acid
blood
chamber.
line, but this is not the blood line right now.
For example,
For the
testing
for
purpose
example,
only.
no air.
No air.
Once they will be detect the air, the machine status will be show
Air.
air.
If there is air in the bloodline, machine detect
But-
automatically stop the blood flow to the
But
patient.
it will be shown on the main screen or
Main
in the
screen. It will show the
in the main screen. Yeah.
Main screen.
The message will be appear here.
This Windows.
The alarm will be I think indicate here.
Yeah, indicate the machine will give some red light. It shows red light and they gives beep alarm
Okay.
continuously. And then the
Right.
staff nurse came and they will check the machine.
Yeah.
What status?
Okay. Next.
No, it will take some time to pass the test. The
Yeah,
main
still
test
our
of the
machine is not
yeah.
yet ready because
No
it's
machines
testing
maximum
itself.
ready. No UF
See
test.
this one UF pump test.
After that we connect.
How long time it will take to complete this preparation?
Maximum 5 minutes will take.
Maximum
No
5
machine
minutes.
source here.
See the alarm.
Preparation. Connect. Yeah, acid and acetate concentrate.
Connect acetate concentrate.
Yeah, this is the one.
This means
This is the
you
one
have to connect
connect.
these chemicals, which is called the hemodialysis acid concentrate. Sorry.
Concentrate.
What is
Once-
it? Biocarbonate.
Bicarbonate. Once after the message only you have to follow. You have to follow the machine instruction only.
Yeah.
Yeah, the follow should be followed. No, I'm connecting. While connecting, which one I have to connect? This one. It's the main thing.
Name.
Main. यही है important.
नहीं.
Red वाला.
Name बताते जाएं.
Concentration.
Concentrations.
This is the one.
Five.
We have to
What do you call
insert in
concentration line?
This is one we have to remove from this holder, and we have to insert in the can only. This tube for concentration, and this is the one bicarbonate for where you have to connect means you have to connect here. No showing here, connect bicarbonate.
Connect bicarbonate.
No.
See, follow the instruction as the machine is showing in the display. Connect the bicarbonate. So we are going to connect this bicarbonate container.
This
in
is
the
bicarbonate holder.
holders.
We have to push this pin. Lift and pump. Come. Just have to be insert. According to the holes, two holes. Two holes. Bottom and up. Okay. Here also one hole is there. Exactly how to put the bicarbonate.
See, the bottle is connected. Bicarbonate.
Okay. No machines, no preparation going on.
Once you connected, the machine will show the
DF preparation
preparations.
means dialysis will preparing machine. Dialysis.
Dialyzer is preparing.
Dialysis mean RO water, bicarbonate, as concentration. Machine going to prepare one solution. The solution we call dialysis.
The mixture of this all
the three, one. Bicarbonate, concentration, water.
Okay.
Mixture of three, we call dialysis.
Okay.
Who will be prepared? The machine will prepare itself.
Okay.
No machine preparing the dialysis solution.
So machine will also show showing the DF preparations.
Yeah, preparation
DF means
going
here. What do you call this one? DF?
Dialysis.
Dialyzer. No, dialysate means F.
Dialysis flow preparation. Fluid preparation. Sorry.
Fluid.
Dialysis fluid.
Dialysate. Okay. So machine is still preparing for the
It will take time. During preparation, machine will test some tests. Here I will show you which test machine will check. Machine during dialysis fluid preparation, machine will check temperature of the fluid and temperature of bicarbonate fluid and temperature of dialysis fluid. These 3-4 temperatures should be matches only. Should be same. If any difference is between the temperature, test will fail. And the conductivity will check. Conductivity according to the patient safety and manufacturer, we can know that here conductivity should be 14.3. Okay. 14.3. Maximum 16.0. We can enter. Regarding
so one question.
Yes.
During this preparation, DF preparation, so we can be manually change any setting, no problem.
No, we can change it. We can change it. We can change it.
Any settings, no problem.
No machine prepare solution prepared according to the parameter. No machine is going to prepare the solution according to this parameter.
Yeah, but
these default parameters.
This is the default.
Okay. Default parameter. If you want to decrease, you can other increase. For example, you want to decrease, click the icon and check here. Minimum 12.5 to 60.0.
Okay.
Yeah, you can enter how much.
But the machine is already preparing now according to the default setting. If you are going to decrease this one value, so it's not possible.
No, it will no problem. It will pass.
It will pass?
It will pass.
Sure?
It will pass.
Okay. Because maybe that kind of amount machine already get it.
This is bicarbonate conductivity and this is fluid dialysis fluid temperature and dialysis flow. The 4 parameters are there, and here this icon shows ultrafiltration. How much amount of fluid you want to remove from the body. Main patient. How much fluid you want to remove from the patient. You can enter here how many hours therapy you want. For example, I'm supposed to, the patient came on 67 kilo weight and he want to lose his weight up to 67, maybe 62, 63, 64, depends on the doctor prescription. To around 2000 milliliter extra fluid to remove. So you want to enter here how much volume of fluid to remove. 2000, 1000, whatever you want, you can enter here. And this therapy time, how many hours you want to do patient. Default timing is 4 hours for dialysis session. If your patient want to go early also, we can do for 3 hour sessions, whatever.
Depending on his
on the doctor,
medical situation.
We can make setting here. We can change the therapy settings, therapy timing, and the
this is user setting. It means the new nursing staff can be changed this one according to the instruction of doctor.
And There are for the sodium level of the patient, you can check it here. This one. सोडियम का है, ये हीमोग्लोबिन का है, ये का इस्तेमाल करते नहीं है, पूरा यूज़ करते नहीं है पूरा।
ये क्या है?
एक्चुअली क्या है, ये कार्ड है नहीं कार्ड है।
अभी हम फिर इसके प्रिपरेशंस के बाद में आते हैं फिर।
होगा लास्ट सिस्टम। हाँ during dialysis for preparation, we have to check this value here. Conductivity 2.9, and I show you before the bicarb is 3.0. BaCl has been bicarb conductivity level. It means shortcut. In the system 3.0 showing here for a clinical. This is 14.3, 3.0. Now here how much temperature? Conductivity is 2.9 plus or minus, no problem. And the conductivity also 14.3 in the screen. Now showing as a 14.5 machine preparing. Now machine check the conductivity test pass and temperature test pass and bicarb test pass. Now showing as a coupling and dialyzer. What is dialyzer? Dialyzer is nothing but semi-permeable membrane. Dialyzer means semi-permeable membrane, like this. Semi-permeable, semi-membrane.
Membrane.
Semi-membrane.
Membrane. Okay.
Like this same. Nothing but same dialyzer.
Okay.
Like same. Now instead of this dialyzer, I am using this small connector.
Only just for the testing?
For testing only.
Only for testing?
Yeah, instead of dialyzer. Okay. Now I am connecting these two lines to dialyzer. One is one side, one is another side. Now the message will disappear here.
एक मिनट इसमें कंटिन्यू करो आप।
Continue.
क्या बोल रहे थे?
After connecting the dialyzer coupling, machine will ask, please connect the.
You connected this one. It's called
fluid in and out.
Fluid in and out. Okay.
Because presently this trial run going. I mean,
we can be interchanged, no problem. Up and down, no problem. This one is like.
No problem. Because I am using this connector. Now we are going just to trial.
We don't have a dialyzer.
Let the patient how to prepare the machine.
Yeah, only just for the practical example.
Practical only I am showing this. If you want to do, you can do it without patient also. We need some new dialyzer and new bloodline, everything. Instead of using on the rest of the dialyzer and the bloodline, I am using this one only.
Oh. So there is one more alarm on the screen. Battery is not fully charged. So
no, see.
And also please connect the dialyzer coupling.
I connected here. I connected. How to be click.
This one is we connected. This one dialyzer.
Just,
so
just have to go press OK. Now see, I don't have. I don't have patient. I don't have any bloodline for any patient. Just I'm using this syringe and over extra tubing. This for patient bloodline. Consider patient bloodline. Just machine during trial run, machine will check all the parameters of patient venous only check.
Right.
So I'm connecting this tube here for venous connection here.
Okay.
Now machine is preparing filling DFS in dialysis fluid solution.
क्या टाइम हो गया? Now is the blood side fluid filled with NaCl in a sodium chloride. NaCl means solution and rest. Okay. Now okay. No SAD function. Is machine checking this one SAD either clamp. This one is checking SAD safety air detector test going on. It means in the tube blend there is any air or no. If checking machine, if they found any air in the machine, test will fail. Okay.
Now checking
BS.
Test BS blood side pressure sensor. These three sensors the machine is going checking now.
Which sensor?
three sensor. The venous pressure sensor, arterial pressure sensor, the PBE mean dialysate pressure sensor, PBE. Now the checking test
Test
blood system. The blood pump checking. During this trial therapy, during this blood set test blood system, we have to be build up the pressure up to 400. When the clog is
We have to fill
closed.
the pressure up to
During
400.
manually we do it right now. During therapy means automatically we do it. No, clog is open. I'm trying to build up the pressure through the syringe. See here, I'm increasing venous. The pressure is 400.
The pressure.
Up to hold the test will pass. Have to hold the pressure. No test pass. Please come to the test valve system. Test valve.
So it's called V pressure. What?
Venous pressure.
Venous pressure.
Venous pressure. Now, before this icon not appear here, before the test pass, no showing anything with VF means machine ready to go patient. Machine asking.
UFP.
Yeah, UFP mean ultra filtration.
Ultrafiltration
Yeah.
procedure.
No machine ready now for the patient. So I don't have any patient right now to connect. So what
Okay.
I'm saying, what I'm doing now, just I'm taking saline here as dummy patient.
For dummy patient.
Dummy patient, right?
Okay.
I'm filling the water here up to 500 ml or 300 ml, whatever. This one I'm filling now.
Okay.
One
Let's
second.
see.
See?
So we take the
These
filter
are
waters.
patient? हाँ.
Sorry. क्या बोलेंगे इसको?
RO water.
RO water.
RO water.
RO water.
See, consider as a patient. The patient, dummy patient.
So we don't have a patient right
Patient
now. So
now.
that's why we are using this
saline, normal saline.
saline bottle.
And also we filling
Yeah,
some
to
RO water only. For example,
Connect as like a patient.
patient. Yeah. No, we have to remove 500 ml of extra fluid from the patient. No, filling up to 500 ml water.
उसका
Close it,
पानी
close it.
close.
Now
So our-
I filled with RO water. This is a dummy patient.
Yeah.
We have to remove this 500 ml of extra fluid from the patient. See now how we are connecting here. We have IV pole here. And we are connected here. And this tube, this port is going to connect here only, here. This is patient considered as a bloodline. This
Okay.
one.
Okay.
Is also attending here. Just here and rotate right side. Class. That's it.
So suppose this line is coming from the patient's
Yeah.
patient tubing. So this line is should connect with the
Port. Yeah. This one.
what do you call this one?
end,
Rinsing.
This sample port. We call sampling port.
This line.
This line. This line dialysis flow. We call sampling
Dialysis
port.
flow. Dialysis.
Now this port, it will suck.
So how you will recognize this one? It's not written here anything. Any tube you can be used.
No. This one should this one. This one. Blue one.
Blue one.
Blue one. Blue one.
Okay.
Red one.
Okay.
This is fluid in and out. And this is patient.
Okay.
This is a patient. Where I connect the patient blood sensor means manually I enter the value here. Manually I enter the pressure, blood pressure I enter manually.
Otherwise, this will also be connect with the patient.
Patient, yeah. Otherwise, we should connect this one, this one, this one. Both.
This is for what?
Dialyzer pressure. This dialyzer pressure.
Dialyzer pressure. This one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now connect here. Now I am opening this. This one.
No, एक मिनट मेरा. So explain करो.
Hi guys. This is dialyzer.
Blood dialyzer.
Dialyzer for using for remove extra fluid from the patient is work as same as a kidney. Is called is artificial kidney only.
Yes.
Not human kidney or artificial kidney.
Artificial kidney.
What kidney will do? Same thing it will do. Now I am using instead of this one for trial therapy only, for testing mode only. Otherwise, if you use this one, I will connect blue one this end red one, this port, and
These dialyzers are also having color coding or
yeah, no color, just
or anywhere.
Anywhere. One end blood from the patient. This one end the patient go to the body again.
One in and one out.
One dialyzer, blue one connect here, red one here, and the patient blood line, arterial line should be connected here only. After cleaning the blood, it will go through this end, we call venous line, go to the patient side.
In the body.
Now machine ready. Machine is asking, please start the blood pump. This is a patient. I am connecting now. When I click the icon, it is showing parameters. Machine asking, the same parameters which you want to go to dialysis for 30
Or you want to change?
Any other change. If you want, khalas,
If suppose we want to change,
we can change
can
it. We can change during therapy. I show you. Okay. Conductivity, final conductivity mode, bicarbonate, final conductivity 14.3, ultra filtration 2 dozen ml, therapy time 4 hours, maximum ultra filtration 2000.
This all parameters we can change, huh?
We can change it. I will show you. No option. Connect. Okay. Yes.
Back.
Now I'm starting blood pump. It means that machine sucking blood from the patient when I start the blood pump.
Okay.
Machine pump will run here. See, pump running here. Pump started. Now this is dialyzer ready to accept the blood. This dialyzer icon.
Yeah.
When I click here, class. Now it's showing bicarb running. Therapy going on.
Right. Now the therapy is started.
Therapy is started. If you want to change any parameters here.
No. As a patient, this flow will be down.
Yeah.
I think so after how? Where is the timing? Remaining time?
Yes.
After 4 hours.
4 hours. See, I am entered here. Okay. These are venous.
5 ml, 500 ml.
For हवा ले आओ हम काम कर दो This is the screen appears when you connect the patient for dialysis.
Right.
Here, see now automatically it's turned the
Indicator is green now.
It means therapy going on. If you
Under process.
going on.
Yeah.
If light turned red means there is alarm. It's the indicator.
Different
Some
kinds of.
errors. Whenever machine give alarm error, it will appear red color here. No green means therapy going on. There is no problem in the machine. And screen everything. I will show you. See, these are all parameters of the patient. Venous pressure. Just I am giving manually. It's showing 92. There is no arterial line, so 0. TMP mean the arterial pressure. And
What arterial lines?
I didn't connect it because we don't have a patient right now. So we didn't connect.
So
Once you connect it,
this arterial line also will be come from the patient.
patient will sure. Arterial mean is sucking blood from the patient.
Right. So this is the one we connected now.
No, we connected for the fluid only. How
Fluid
much
only.
fluid removed? Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now the TMP mean the how much pressures, how blood cell and dialysis. So TMP here remaining time just now kind of before 4 hours now 3.59 minutes, 3 hours 15 minutes, 3 and here EF 100 ml per hour. We entered. I check point it mentioned 2000 liter we have to remove until the 4 hours.
Right.
From the patient. No, I'm then changing now. I don't want to be remove 2000 liter. Just I want to remove 500 ml. Sorry.
500
ml from the patient for the 4 hours until 4 hours. Because
But normally, each patient's having the requirement for
depends
the
on the
2000
patient.
ml.
Up to the patient weight.
It's depending on
the
the
condition.
weight of the patient. Yeah.
See, because I put mention 500 ml means I consider as this is a patient. Because I feel only 500 ml whatever I feel it. So for this entire therapy 4 hours, it will be empty.
Right.
It will removing the fluid from the patient.
Yeah.
No therapy time you want.
But this will be empty. After that.
Machine give alarm. If you want continue, you can continue it. Continue.
But without fluid, you cannot be. Without RO, you can be.
Without this,
You cannot
water
continue.
only.
Water.
Water only. Now therapy 4 hours going on. If you want to increase therapy, you can increase up to 10 hours.
This
1 hour,
5 ml,
yeah,
500 ml.
So
Sorry.
you can use. This is ultra efficient. For example, there is any problem in the machine. We can't repair the machine during therapy with patient. So some depends on the patient condition. It will go for sequential. Sequential means you will not remove any clearance. Means there is no removal, extra removal. There is a bicarb running only, you can remove it. Means sequential means machine just running, just passing blood through the membrane. That is normally.
Okay. Anything else?
These are things for trial therapy only.
Okay.
If original therapy means you have to connect patient only. We can know the lot of things. How to connect the patient, what is the parameters of the venous, RTL and this pressure sensor and dialyzer.
Suppose for practical, for the knowledge, if I will be make a twist.
Twist, yeah, machine will alarm. Yeah,
The machine will be alarmed.
Alarm, sure,
right?
alarm. Showing PMP not reached. It will have.
I will be block the RO water.
No, not water. No block. No block.
Nothing will happen.
Nothing there. Now going on little bit increasing because machine try to remove fluid from the patient, but it's not coming here. It's increasing.
See, I blocked the RO fluid, but the temperature is going high. Sir.
Not temperature.
This is called temp or what?
PMP mean arterial pressure plus venous pressure by the formula is there. The pressure of the dialyzer. Because why I connected here means just leave it. These tubes are connected to the dialyzer. The dialyzer, no.
Right. Like
so
like this. One.
Yeah, it will detect the pressure of this dialyzer.
Okay. So after certain this 500 mH, it will be give alarm.
Yeah, it will be alarm.
Okay.
So these are trial run therapy. If you want to see connect heparin, how much have you have?
What about blood flow? We don't have.
Blood
right
flow.
now.
So for example, we don't have blood flow. No, we have to increase. We can increase from.
There is a blockage something.
Yeah, blockage. For example, I have increased blood pump from here plus or minus. We increase blood pump. See. Blood pump means blood flow pressure only.
Only pressure. Hey guys, we return back after a short break.
Now we are terminating the patient.
So you can see the screen. What is the remaining time? Before it was 4 hours.
4 hours, now 3 hours.
Now 3 hours remaining.
Alhamdulillah. We remove fluid also from the patient.
See the fluid, it was a 500 ml fully
We set 500 ml here.
pure.
We set 500 ml
Yeah.
for 4 hours. Actually, the machine remove 138 ml remove. Here flow rate is per hour 121 ml per hour. So now we are terminating the machine. We don't want to connect patient.
Okay.
So
So
here
we don't want to continue this process.
Yeah, no worries.
So we are going to terminate this.
Here this, here I can exit. See here, patient running out. This means terminating.
Patient is running out.
End of treatment.
We don't want.
Yes.
In between, we are going to stop this procedure and end of the treatment.
Now
And the
we
screen.
need this holder bicarbonate should be drained. This one should be drained. No water is fill up the water. Fill it with water. Fill it with water now.
See, it's full of water.
Water.
RO water.
No water. RO water. No, I'm terminating now.
So once you will be, what do you call this one?
Exit from the.
You will be drain this water.
Drain water. This
So
bicarbonate cartridge draining.
draining.
Yes. Now,
So we can see here the bicarbonate container will be drain all the RO waters.
water. Wait. See now.
See the level of the water is reducing now. very fast. See? You can see the screen is showing end of therapy. What does mean BL's card draining?
Bicarbonate draining, shortcut. Basic cartridge
bicarbonate cartridge.
draining.
So this is the bicarbonate content.
One by one you have to follow. Step. First we press here, exit from the dialysis. Now
This is coming for the patient. This is
this is going patient. This is going.
it's coming. Yeah,
It's going. For
going
dialysis for therapy.
going for therapy. Yeah.
Therapy. Before red one is
Yeah.
moving.
The
forward.
red color
one.
indicating it's out.
Out. Going for the therapy.
End of treatment.
Now I am closing this canal. Like how this IV.
Not cannula. What do you call this one?
IV line. Fluid line. Saline closing.
For lungs.
Now I am removing.
What is the lung?
The blood pump is because take time now. Now I am removing this one. And this one dialyzer draining. This is the one drain going on now. Okay.
Be remember this dialyzer is same like this
This
one.
is the main dialyzer.
So
original.
in this-
This is dummy.
So in place of this dialyzer, we
this
just
coupling,
install
yeah.
this coupling. What do you call this one? What do you call this one?
Connector, coupling connector only.
Coupling connector. Instead of this dialyzer.
Both are the place here.
So remove.
Removed already. Now it's this icon.
What
Disinfection.
disinfection?
After therapy, machine
After
should
therapy,
go.
yeah.
Disinfection going on. Disinfection. No. No, this is different screen. Before that one is therapy mode. Now when I connect this red concentration dot TV. That's same price. Now disinfection going on. Here three icons, these three solutions here: citric, paracetamol, and this also some solution.
What is
there.
this? It's
Chemical. Presently we are using citric 50%.
There is a three types of
Three types
chemicals.
of, heat disinfection, heat, chemical, shortcut. Three types are there.
So usually you are using the
Citric only.
50%.
You want to see citric means? These are all citric. This consider the citric. Citric acid. For cleaning the machine, inside machine. Disinfection of the machine.
Okay. So you can see that the disinfection is
Going on.
continuously going on, and almost its status is complete.
No, these are the icons here. These checklist, history of disinfection data. Disinfection. When date? See, today is 6th of October. There is 6th October disinfection. 5th October disinfection. If any alarm, if any element, it will show. It will become red color here. Okay.
Like that.
This is the auto off. Click here. Stop auto machine icon.
Auto off means
Auto pin. See, for
after
example,
disinfection.
after disinfection automatically. No need to be again to machine switch off. It will detect automatically. This one data. Parameters, patient data parameters, disinfect data, everything. Storage data. And this for parameters. You know, you can see here. Water opening, close here. See, there is one. Some walls opening, some walls closing.
Yeah.
We can know who is going on. See, now is open here. But the seconds it will come close. See, close.
this is balance chamber.
Balance chamber, membrane inside machine.
Inside the machine.
It's showing here.
It's not for user actually.
No,
it's
not
for the
user.
technical
It's for
user.
technical only. User will show only it will check before the dialysis screen only. No need to do disinfection. I am going to exit now. From here to exit.
Khalas. This is the home screen.
Home screen.
Okay.
Go to
Khalas.
machine. Now we need everything.
Thank you, Mr. Feroz. Thank you, Jazakallah khair.
Now how do you repair the machine?